Clara Voss. Elena's heart clenched. Her mentor from her early dancing days, a choreographer who'd pushed her to soar beyond technique into raw emotion. They'd lost touch 20 years ago when Clara moved to New York. Clara's gone? Elena whispered. Laura nodded. She passed 3 months ago. Pancreatic cancer. But she left you an inheritance, $12 million, a studio space, and a trust for living expenses. There's one condition. Elena gripped the bar for support. What condition? Elena whispered. You must choreograph and perform a new dance piece at the Denver Dance Festival in 5 months. Laura handed her a sealed envelope. Clara left this for you. Elena Marquez stood in the dim, dusty light of her old dance studio, the mirrors cracked and the bar sagging under years of neglect. At 63, she was a shadow of the ballerina who'd once graced Denver's stages, her body now stiff from nights spent sweeping on a thin mat in the corner. 6 months ago, her partner of 30 years, Daniel, had collapsed in their kitchen, a heart attack, stealing him before she could say goodbye. His daughter, Sophia, inherited everything, their cozy apartment, the savings Elena had helped build, even the car she'd driven to teach community dance class. Legally, Elena was nothing. You're not family, Sophia had said, her voice sharp as a blade. You have 1 week to leave.